Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Zanibo ZEH1120 2000W blower heater. This is a blower heater for your bedroom or your living room even. This is primarily used during winters. This particular blower heater comes with two heat settings, 4-dimensional safety mesh grill, can be used as a fan and has a fire resistant body as well. This blower heater also has 1 year of warranty and it is also ISI certified. So specifications are mentioned. Wattage is 2000 watts, setting is 1000 watt and 2000 watt. That's more or less it. I'll open this and show you what's inside. There you go. This is what the Zanibo ZEH1120 looks like. We also have a instruction manual and warranty card for this particular blower heater. Everything that you want to know is here, along with technical data and warranty instructions. And this is the blower heater in question. This is a very small, compact and really lightweight blower heater. At the front you will notice this is the 4-dimensional safety mesh grill right over here, and you will notice the heating filaments at the back. And this is your fan. The fan basically will blow air through these heating filaments, and what you get on the other end will be hot air. These are your heat settings, as you can see, 1 and 2. This is the 1000 watt and this is the 2000 watt heat setting, and this is basically this dial controls the speed of the fan over here. Finally, you have this around 1.5 meter long thick PVC cable with a 15 ampere 3-pin plug on one end. There you go. So in order to run this, you will need a 15 ampere power source, a 15 ampere power socket. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Zanibo ZEH1120 2000W blower heater. Thank you for watching.